Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Learning Basics. Today we are here with a new and very important topic which you need in especially for the shutdowns and small projects where we have to plan our project in hours, in minutes, and we have to track our project in hours and minutes. This topic is how to format time units in hours, day, weeks, especially in hours for the shutdowns and to see and update our project after every 30 minutes, because in the shutdowns there is a terms and conditions from the client. They want to know and they want report after an hour, and we have to update this our schedule for shutdown after an hour. So the shifts and each and everything you can see in hours. First of all, time and units. Secondly, dates format. These two we will learn in our today's lecture. So I have already opened my Brahmendra Basics. Open it. Go to the edit. Open it and go to the edit. Go to user preferences. On the top in the user preferences window, on the top you can see here the time and units. This one. Here first of all you can see unit of time is already in hours, but we have to change it. If you want to change in any of them, hour, day, week, month or a year, you can change, but we will want to know in hour. And in decimals we want 2 decimals. If you want to add 2 decimals, like example you can see here 40.50 and show unit level as well and subunit in minutes as well. And then duration format for the shutdown and each and everything you can change by your own wish from here. We will select hour with the 2 decimals and label minutes. And for this one, if you have opened your resources and you have selected your activity, I will show you again. Now you can see here the original duration. You will see the change. Just close this window. Close. You can see here your project is in hours. How much hours you can see here, the entire duration, each and everything is showing in hours. Now again we will go there, just show your resource. So just select one activity and see here the resources. You can see here it's showing in hours. Just I will show you. Go to the edit, user preferences. After the user preferences, if you want to see units time format, resources unit time format can be shown as the percentage or as unit per duration. Show percentage. If you check on this and close the window, now you can see here in the percentage unit time the percentages. But mostly we are using in hours, and I am also preferring the hours format. Okay, close it. It will be same before, like before. Go again. For the formatting of the dates, you just go to the date and date format. If you want to see within these 3, day, month, year, I prefer this one, but there is option for month, day and year, month and day. Whatever you want you can select it. Then 4 digits of year. If you want to see the 4 digits like 2021 you can select month name. If you don't want to see the month name and you want to see the month in numbers, then then separator. Which separator you want, you can select here the separator from here. And then time format. If you want to select a time format like 12 hours, 24 hours, and don't show the time, 24 hours, okay, sample you can see here from that day, start day, and from 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. your activity is starting. This is especially for the activity when the activity is started. You have to assign. With this method you can change your time and you can format your time units and date units. Now you can see here your activity is planned to start, just say the excavation activity is planned to start at 8 a.m. and finished on 19th of July by 4 p.m. Like that you can track and your activities during the shutdown and other than which is preferred from the client. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comment on our channel. Allah Hafiz.